Hello guys, welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today friends, I have made a video on moon salutation or Chandra Namaskar. It is completely opposite to sun salutation or Surya Namaskar. Moon salutation will give you a lot of calmness and quietness and tranquility to your mind. It's like channelizing more of a lunar energy. So I hope you will enjoy this video and let's practice. Let's go to the mat. Stand with one slightly distance apart between your feet, both the palms to Namaskar, Anjali Mudra. Inhale, take your both the hands up. Moving from here to Ardh chandrasana. Bring your feet together and we will bend towards our right side. Slowly coming back to the center. Breathe in, breathe out to your left side. Come back to the center and we move to the devyasana. Folding your arms, folding your knees, keeping your spine straight. And slowly come back, straighten your both the arms and prepare yourself for trikonasana. Your toes pointing in front, your left toe out. Exhale. Slowly keep moving, keep reaching to the ground and raise your right palm up to the sky. From here we move to the parsvottasana. And we try to make a triangle pose where your both the toes are pointing towards your left. Your head reaching to your front shin bone. Leaning on your front thigh. From here we move to the anjani where you will rest your back knee, low lunge, raise your arms up, both the palms in Anjali Mudra. Slowly relax your both the hands. From here to the skandasana, you will turn and rotate that foot, toe pointing up, folding on your left knee, sitting on your left side, and you can reach to the ground. Rest your forehead on the floor if you can, or you can stay in a namaskar sthiti. So from here we change our transition, moving to the other side. Same practice, either you can fold forward or you can stick to the namaskar. Move to the anjani. So rotate your back leg and inhale. Raise your arms up. Repeating everything to the other leg. Exhale. Lean forward to the triangle pose or parsvottasana where your both the toes are pointing in front and they are in one line. And the squared hips. We rotate our left foot to the front side, straightening your right knee and inhale. Raise your arm up in a trikonasana. Inhale. Slowly come back to the devyasana. And then we step with both the hands up to the Ardh chandrasana. Moving to the left side. Center, inhale. Exhale to your right. Come back in the samasthiti. Relax your palm. And then now we'll shift from the left to the right. Inhale. Both the hands up in Ardh chandrasana. Bend to your left. Exhale. Inhale in the center. Exhale to your right. Keep stretching your arms. Core engage, your knees straight, establish your feet well. Center. Inhale, devyasana. Folding your arms, holding your knees. And sit up, stand up tall and straight. Rotate now your right foot out. Breathe in and breathe out, moving to trikonasana. Try to reach as much you can, bending sideways. Exhale. Moving to the parsvottasana, triangle, where your both the toes are pointing in one line and you lean on your front thigh. Inhale. Exhale. You keep some space, moving in a low lunge or anjani asana. Raise your arms up in Anjali mudra. Exhale. Lean forward, moving to skandasana. So just rotate your foot and we move to the right side. We sit on the right side. Placing your palms in the center, or if you feel like, you can just bend forward. Check this leg straight, toes pointing. Flex your foot. Slowly come back. We change our direction, transition from right to the left side, we shift. Again, check this right leg straight and you put the pressure on the left side. Slowly rest your forehead, or you can place your palms together. From skandasana, we move to the anjani asana. So just rotate that back foot. Fold your knee, rest your knee down. We shift our body on the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly bend forward. Tuck your toes. Lift your back knee. Moving in a triangle or parsvottasana. Relax your forehead. Inhale. We rotate that back foot, toe pointing in front, in trikonasana. Breathe in. Devyasana. Inhale. Straighten your arms and move back to the starting position. Ardh chandrasana first. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the center. Both the palms to your heart center and relax. So thank you guys for watching this video. I am very sure you must have enjoyed this moon salutation or Chandra Namaskar, which will give you a lot of tranquility and too much of calmness in your mind. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed.